In this video, I'll show you how to check a graded rubric from the grades section in D2L. If you submit something to the Dropbox, the rubric for that assignment will be able to be viewed within that Dropbox. Something that is not submitted to the Dropbox will be graded in the grades section. D2L will not pull over a rubric from the Dropbox to the grades, so you'll need to look in those two different locations for the graded rubric. I certainly highly recommend that you don't just look at your grade, but that you also go in and look at the graded rubric, because I do leave comments in there and that can help you from one speech to the next. So checking the graded rubric in the grade section is very simple. Along the top navigation bar here, you would just go to the grade section. And as you can see, it will list all the grades that are available for the semester. If there's nothing in here, so the dash with then the total number of points possible, it just means that item has not been graded yet, or the assignment hasn't been here. So right here in the introductory speech, you see there it's a link here that says View Graded Rubric. So it does tell you there your grade. So it's a 35 out of 40 and 87.5%. So that gives you some information, but it doesn't give you all the information. You want to be sure, especially with your speeches, to view the graded rubric. So you can go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to move this over so you can see that. Okay, let's go up there. Okay, and now we can see that this is the same rubric that was in the grade section that you had. No rubric should be a surprise for you. No assignment should be a surprise. And then you can see, you can make this a little bit bigger if you want to, but it'll tell you each category, what was checked, and then the number of points. And so you're able to look down and you can see in more detail about your grade. Also, you'll see any typed feedback. That's something that I will always do on a speech. So you want to make sure you look at that. This is how you can improve from one speech to the next. So you just have this available to you. You can just scroll down and look at all of it. So whole ways down to the bottom, you may find feedback in an individual category, or if you go to the bottom, there may be feedback for the whole thing. So please be sure, go ahead and close that. Please be sure that you do view the graded rubric. As I said, if it's something that was submitted in the Dropbox, you'll find that graded rubric in the Dropbox, but something that didn't go to a Dropbox, like the speech, would be graded in the grade section.